Oh, really?
Yeah.
Good afternoon and welcome to BizTech's Asian Midday Market Watch, powered by the Private Pension Administrator of Malaysia, or PPA, which is the central administrator for private pension arrangements. Today is the 28th of April, and we've got Teng, Markets Analyst from CMC Markets, as our guest today, coming out of their offices in Auckland, New Zealand. Now, Tina, it's always great to have you on the show.
Hi, Brian. Thanks for having me again.
Now, Tina, Wall Street had its best day since January, with Meta Platforms having strong earnings, fueling a tech rally, and boosting, obviously, risk-on sentiment. Share with us your view on the bullish sentiment compared to the negative sentiment at the start of the week when we had issues around banks.
So this week's tech earnings has been pretty strong. They all came as stronger than expected, which lifted the risk sentiment. So overnight, Meta Platforms shares has gone up 14%, which boosted this tech rally on Wall Street. And Amazon's earning actually came out stronger than expected too this morning. The share initially jumped about 10% in the after-hour trading. However, now the price dipped 2% after the company said that AWS growth is seen to further slow down. So I think, the rally on Wall Street, I'm not sure it's going to be sustained like you said, as the other side of the world, the banks are still in trouble, looks like it. And also the overnight economic data didn't come bright. It's painting a gloomy picture for the economic outlook.
Okay, Tina, I want to zoom in on the overnight economic data. So basically, from a macro perspective, the data came in at US GDP grew 1.1% quarterly, below the estimate of 2%. And the PCE data, however, increased by 4.2%. That was more than the consensus on 3.7%. So are we looking at a situation where we could have high inflation and slowing growth? So essentially stagflation happening.
I think it's pointing to a stagflation in the US. However, there's another data need to be looked at the employment, the labor markets next week. If unemployment rate is going up, there is going to really lead to a stagflation era in the US. But it looks like labor market probably will be continuing to be strong. So we just need to wait and see how this banking route play out. If it could cause some crisis in the economy and cause a jump in the unemployment rate, then definitely there might be some troubles in the second half of the year globally.
Okay. Now, Tina, then I want to then zoom in on a different thing, really cryptocurrencies. With all the issues around banking, there seems to be a flight towards cryptocurrencies as an alternative store, which is a strange thing, which has fueled the rally of cryptocurrencies from the 18,000 mark to the 30,000 mark. What's your read on cryptocurrencies looking ahead?
Crypto markets have been super strong this year. I think it's tracing the movement in the tech shares, especially in the US, right? It's being seen a risk on asset class as well. Recently, the banking route boosted this rally in the crypto markets. I think probably some people will see cryptocurrencies as a hedging to the fiat, like the normal currencies. So this is how it works out. Probably the bank crisis actually is a bullish factor to the crypto markets, but it's a purely speculated market as well, so it will be volatile.
Now, Tina, as always, thank you very much for your insights. Thanks for coming on the show.
Thank you, Brian.
Now, I'm Brian Fernandez, and we've been speaking to Tina Teng, markets analyst at CMC Markets, on BizTech's Asian Midday Market Watch, powered by the Private Pension Administrator of Malaysia, or PPA, which is the central administrator for private retirement schemes. This interview will be on our website, www.biztech.asia, as well as our social media platforms. It'll also be on our syndication partners, TV stations, radio stations, and websites. Thanks a lot for tuning in.